welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk to you about something that's kind of more of a concept than an actual thing, but I think it's interesting. And they are called freedom cards. And why are they called freedom cards? Because they are basically paper pieces that you have given yourself permission to just do with whatever. There are people out there marketing these as a saleable item, and they're supposed to be like 4 inches by 4 inch squares and stuff like that. However, it really doesn't matter. I mean, any scrap of paper that you have laying around, maybe you can take your cast off pieces and cut them up into cool shapes and toss them into a box for this process. But really, the point is to take a handful of paper out, several of these, get your favorite colors out, and just be unafraid. Lay color in. Practice patterning. Play with brush strokes. Layer colors, in all kinds of different ways that you normally don't give yourself permission to, because you have the freedom to on these pieces of paper. If you're a little bit more regimented, you measure stuff out, you don't have a whole lot of scrap paper around. We do have Kilimanjaro artist tiles, which we've talked about before. These are 6x6. Our own acid-free Kilimanjaro watercolor paper works great for this purpose. This is a really, really inexpensive, unpack it, just play with it kind of solution, but it's absolutely not necessary. The point is to kind of let yourself go, try something new, and give yourself the freedom and the space in order to play around and discover things. Maybe try some new color combinations that you would be afraid to in a general painting context, and really kind of branch out and have some fun. Think about getting yourself a little box, putting some paper, pieces together, and try out some freedom cards, because we're sure you will enjoy.